Dumelang landlord, this is your tenant Disebo D. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. And if you have anything to say, anything at all, please do drop a comment. I would really like to hear from you. My landlords, we are back with an update on Izingane Zesthembu. So on the Twitter streets, X streets, however we now call it, Jabulani McDonald posted, Izingane Zesthembu has been renewed for a third season. The new season premieres on the 25th of May 2025 on Mzansi Magic. Now, that is not the interesting part. The thing that I'm asking myself is, will Uvuyokazi come back and we get her marriage side of the story correct, or what's going to happen? Is this a show that will now exclude Uvuyokazi and literally Vuyokazi has lost another income or paycheck? I don't know, guys, but I would love for her to come back, maybe say this her side of the story as to what has happened between her and Olani, and we get official closure, because we've said a lot of things about Olani and Vuyokazi, but initially or truthfully we don't know what has really happened. Mina, what interests me is that part. I don't know about other areas because I think I've seen enough of Sneh to get gishap ka Sneh. But I think Uguti, I so want Uvuyokazi to come back and just share about her marriage and where she is currently. So yeah, Izingane Zesthembu 25 May makuphuma ishow yabazali kungena ishow yabantwana. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. This is your girl Adisebo D. I love you. Peace. Bye.